I want to run you through a typical morning in the Connors household when we are preparing to meal plan and prep. So we get the day started on a Sunday morning. The first thing I do is go through the fridge and the pantry and throw anything out that we haven't eaten that week and that's gone bad. The next thing I do is make sure all the dishes from breakfast are done, the dishwasher is unloaded, the sink is completely empty. Next, we sit down with our food list, which we have an ongoing list that we print every single week and just cross off what we don't need. And we take inventory of what we got in the house. So I've got Rob running around. Do we need coffee? Do we need whatever, rice? And then the next thing is I go out. It's sort of my break from the house for an hour, and I go to BJ's. I get everything because we basically planned out what we're going to have. I know what I'm having for lunches. He knows what he's meal prepping for his lunches and breakfasts. We have an idea for dinners. So I go, I get everything, come back, and then the magic begins. Stay tuned for next week's video on Monday to hear how part 2 goes down.